आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, let us solve the question. Chords of the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 are drawn through the positive end of the minor axis. Then prove that their midpoints lie on the ellipse. Okay, so from the positive end of the minor axis of this ellipse, we draw the chords. Then we have to prove that the midpoint of the chords also lie on the ellipse. So first we assume the midpoints. Let h comma k be the midpoint of the chord. Now if this is the midpoint, then what is the equation of chord? So equation of chord is through this point, through this midpoint, the equation of chord is hx upon a square plus ky upon b square minus 1. This is equal to h square upon a square plus k square upon b square minus 1. So this is the standard equation of the chord when midpoint is given h comma k. So remember this equation. Now simplify this equation. So cancel out minus 1 and minus 1. So what we get? hx upon a square plus ky upon b square. This is equal to h square upon a square plus k square upon b square. Now what else we know? This chord pass through the positive end of the minor axis. So what is the coordinate of the positive end of the minor axis for this ellipse? So coordinates of the positive end of minor axis. So the coordinates are 0, b, and this chord pass through this coordinate. So let us put this coordinate into this equation, the equation of chord. So what we get? Put x is equal to 0. I write down x is equal to 0 and y is equal to b. So we get this term becomes 0. So kb upon b square, this is equal to h square upon a square plus k square upon b square. Now cancel out b and b. So what we get? H square upon a square plus k square upon b square. This is equal to k upon b. Now what we do? Replace h with x and k with y. So we get x square upon a square plus y square upon b square. This is equal to y upon b. Now what is this? This is the locus of the midpoint, and this equation represents an ellipse. This equation represents an ellipse. So we have to prove the locus of the midpoint is an ellipse, and we have to prove only this one, so ellipse. So we have proved that. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।